Hello and welcome to IBA. I'm thrilled to introduce you to our new exciting academic venture, the MS Psychology program. Psychology is a growing specialty. It is no longer confined to counseling rooms or laboratories alone.
So, studying psychology at a primarily business school felt like stepping into an unconventional space, but that is exactly what made it so unique. So, I'm really glad that I was able to write a paper that was globally accepted. And of course, studying psychology at IBA, I believe, has equipped me with the skills that will help me contribute to the conversations that shape the narrative about psychology in Pakistan and beyond.
Having diverse curriculum in our MS Psychology program enables us to examine human behavior and mind and their interaction within the environment.
Psychology at IBA isn't just about theories and textbooks, it's about critical thinking, interdisciplinary learning, and applying what you learn in classroom to the real world.
My experience studying psychology at IBA has been incredibly enriching. Over the years, I've seen firsthand how the department has expanded from including various faculty from different subfields in psychology, the range of electives, as well as the newly opened psychology lab, which is sure to improve more opportunities for incoming students.
A well-equipped psychology lab is an integral part of any psychology program that provides the students with the opportunity to apply their theoretical knowledge into real-world scenarios.
So our program, the MS Psychology program, has been designed to diversify the career opportunities for our students.
This leads us towards more effective intervention and application in various fields of psychology like consumer, organizational, sports, forensic, and business.
Now that I have the knowledge and skills needed, I can now make meaningful contributions in the field, all thanks to the psychology degree at IBA.